guys, welcome back to my channel. For breakfast today I'm making some creamy oatmeal porridge. What I'm using will be 1 cup of almond milk, a half a cup of dry rolled oats, half a cup of water, a pinch of salt. And for toppings I'll be using a half a ripe banana, some blueberries, some blackberries, and I might add some chia seed, but you could use whatever toppings you like. Let's get started. To the saucepan, we'll add our oats. Since this is rolled oats and not the quick cooking oats, what I like to do is add the water and let that sit and soak for about 2 to 3 minutes. After soaking for 2 to 3 minutes, we next add the cup of almond milk and the pinch of salt. We're going to bring this to a boil for a minute on medium to low heat. After about a minute and a half, you'll notice it's starting to simmer around the edge. Now you could turn the heat down to low, stir it, and check on it in another minute and a half. So after another minute, you could notice it's starting to get a bit creamier. So after about 5 minutes of cooking on low heat, your oatmeal is done. Remove from the heat and set aside. Now to finish preparing my toppings. In a small bowl, I'm adding my blackberries and my blueberries, and I'm using a fork to crush them to get all the juices out. Transfer your oatmeal to a bowl and add your favorite toppings. I'm adding my half a ripe banana, my crushed berries, and I'm sprinkling with some cinnamon. I've also added some honey on top as an added sweetener. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.